Hello, I'm Lee Richards from ProKnee Corporation, and today I'm going to show you how to properly use the ProMeasure. The first thing you're going to do is lift the knee seat up until it comes to the top of the kneecap, while at the same time adjusting the rod out so the ProMeasure is parallel with the person's shin. Now you can read the A to B measurement. Take the measurement strap and wrap it around the calf muscle. Now you can read your C measurement. With this information, you can now order the proper size.